Email marketing is one of the best ways to grow a small business. Social media algorithms change all the time, but your email list belongs to you. It helps you to stay connected with your customers, promote your products, and build trust over time. The good news is that you don't need a huge budget to get started. There are many great email marketing tools that can help you to send professional emails, automate your marketing, and grow your business. In this video, I will share some of the best email marketing tools that are worth considering for your small business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best software to grow you online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link in the description to explore the tools that I mentioned in this video. By using the description links, any available discount or promotion that will be applied automatically. Now let's get into main part of today's video. Let's begin with a platform that's built for businesses of all sizes. GetResponse is one of the most complete email marketing platforms available today. You can create beautiful newsletters, build landing pages, collect leads with sign-up forms, and automate your email campaigns without needing technical skills. It also includes sales funnels, webinars, and AI-powered tools that help you to create content faster. If you want one platform that does much more than just email marketing, then GetResponse is an excellent choice. Now let's talk about a tool that's very popular with beginners. MailChimp has been one of the most recognized names in email marketing for many years. Its simple interface makes it easy to build your first email list, design professional emails, and send campaigns in just few steps. It also includes basic automations, audience management, and reporting tools. If you are starting your first business and want something that is easy to learn, then MailChimp is a great place to begin. Now let's move to a platform that's made for creators, and that is Kit, formerly known as ConvertKit. It is designed for bloggers, YouTubers, coaches, and content creators. It makes it easy to grow your audience with landing pages, sign-up forms, and email sequences. If your business is built around content creation, Kit is definitely worth looking at. We are getting close to our final recommendations. ActiveCampaign is known for its powerful marketing automation. It gives you advanced email campaigns, customer segmentations, CRM features, and detailed workflows that help you to personalize your marketing. For example, you can automatically send different emails based on customer behavior, previous purchases, and website activity. If your business is growing and you want more advanced automation, then ActiveCampaign is a strong option. And finally, here is a platform that combines email marketing with many other business tools, GoHighLevel. This is much more than an email marketing platform. Along with email marketing, you get CRM, SMS marketing, sales funnels, landing pages, appointment booking, and powerful automation. This means you can manage your entire customer journey from one dashboard instead of using several different tools. It is especially popular with agencies, freelancers, and businesses that want an all-in-one marketing system. So which one should you choose? If you want a complete email marketing platform with landing pages and automation, then GetResponse is a great option. If you are just getting started and want something that is simple to use, MailChimp is a solid choice. If you are a creator who wants to grow an audience and build relationships through email, then Kit is worth considering. If your business needs advanced automation and personalized customer journeys, ActiveCampaign is an excellent solution. And if you want a combine of email marketing with CRM, funnels, and automation all in one platform, then GoHighLevel is one of the best all-in-one options available. The good news is that if you use our description link for the GoHighLevel, then you can get the 30 days free trial instead of the 14 days. With that, you will be able to get free live bootcamp access and you will get some free bonuses from GoHighLevel to get started. So check the link from description to get all of these offers and benefits. And let's get back to the video. The good news is that most of these platforms offer a free plan or a free trial. That means as your audience grows, you can always upgrade to more advanced features. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Hopefully this guide helped you to discover some of the best email marketing tools for small businesses and made it easier to choose the right one for your needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for the tools that mentioned in this video with the extra benefit. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.